All right, so this is today I'm going to start working on the Murray to get it finished up in the restoration. So fix the sloppy steering, it's got play back and forth too. Side to side, up and down. And then the clicky solenoid. The original, or what I got it with, the John Deere battery. Bad gas cap, and then, yeah, so this is just the start. This is the solenoid and the battery. Here's a new battery. I'm gonna get the solenoids here, and I have a new key switch for it, which I also might be putting on, but yeah. Oh, and I guess the only other part of the restoration would be the seat, but not quite yet. Anyhow, I am gonna get the camera set up, and then we'll begin. All right, sorry if the lighting's bad, and sorry if my phone falls, but what you will need is an 11mm wrench and socket. Well, I'm gonna pause it. Hold on, I can't find my 11 wrench. Okay, it's all either 11mm or 7/16 for pretty much any battery. So I'm gonna lift up this positive terminal. Now, I can't remember, I think it was my grandpa who had this mower, who unfortunately passed away. Might help if I have this unloosened, hold on. But what you wanna do is you wanna disconnect the negative first, and then connect the positive first, because if you're connecting the positive first, or if you're doing everything with the positive first, what's going to happen is current is going to flow through the positive, and you might get electrocuted or spark stuff. I'm not saying it for sure will happen. Actually, I'll keep this on here for now. But it's a thing of it can, and it may, so why chance it? Especially because I'm putting on a new solenoid and stuff. What am I doing? Sometimes you gotta kind of slide the battery. Yeah, this is a battery from I don't know when. I'm not actually sure the build date on this battery, but anyways, it's an old battery, boy. Not lying, it's definitely got some years on it. I mean, it was new with my grandpa's D100. Whoa. So, I mean, whenever that was built, I guess. Oh, I guess the new positive terminals are like that too. It's a little bit more hogged out. This positive terminal is kind of hogged out, but anyways, so I get the battery out of here. It says don't lift by terminals. Yeah, whatever. Okay, fine. Get the old battery out. Put the battery tray back in. Now it's got this little thing there, and I was trying to figure out where that's supposed to go. I think it goes like that, but it doesn't quite make sense to me. I don't know. But anyhow, I think the solenoid stuff is also all 11mm. Yep. So everything on the solenoid is also an 11mm. Now, for Murray solenoids, at least my 91, it's got a, which I'm sure, yeah, you can see this. It's a little bit dark, which, I mean, now you can see what I'm doing. Let's do this. Whoa, yeah, that's better. Okay. But anyways, the positive goes on the top, along with that purple wire, which actually was originally red, but I think we added some purple onto it. Okay. Oops. Now, I'm not going to make a video on how to test solenoids. There are plenty of those out there, but it's really not hard. You just need a 12-volt power source, pretty much. But that's it. Oh, and then there's underneath the solenoid, it's a 3-post, so there's this little thing that goes on there. Let's move this back. Now this solenoid, I've tested it, and it is indeed junk. Now, I have got to get on the pink side of this with the socket, not the wrench. The wrench is going to have to go in there. Oh shoot. Wrench is really going to have to go on here because it's not even tight. And I'm not sure if it's even 11. But yeah, this solenoid's bad, so it doesn't matter if I have it tight or not. To be honest, it really doesn't matter. It does once you have it together with the new solenoid, but if you know for sure your solenoid's bad and you've just been, jumping it with the little sparker. Oh, another thing, I'm actually going to take the camera off of my little seat bracket. Get it in there to show you if I can. There's a yellow wire on the back side of that. So just keep that in mind. I'm going for the rest of this. Don't move. Okay. Yeah, neither of them were loose. Just undo this, baby. Ooh. Okay, and here's your solenoid, which not sure why we're getting connected, but so there you go. There's the old solenoid. I can hear it's got shaky sounds. Is this one stuck? Oh, okay, no. All right, so I've not tested the new one because I'm not gonna, because I don't have a good my other battery. The new battery has not been charged yet. I don't want to, don't want to give it any juice until then. So we get our brand new 3-post, 3-terminal, I guess. I have the receipt taped on because I already had to return one of these because my dad got the same one of these for me. I don't remember why. I don't know if it's for Christmas. I think it's for Christmas, but oh no, he got me the key switch. He just got this for me. But I remember putting it on, and it didn't even do the clunky like I showed at the beginning of the video. This one already sounds better. Oh, there's nothing shaking. Nothing should be shaking. Shouldn't be able to hear anything in there. So it's a good sign already. So the way the other one was would have been like that. Actually, the other one was sideways, and this one has to go like this. But that doesn't matter because the mounting holes are indeed the same. You just have to know. Actually, it doesn't even matter. That's the cool thing, is it doesn't matter how you hook up that part of the solenoid. Now, because this black wire is going to be on the bottom, I always do that first. Just going to get this guy on there. This is a little bit bigger thread than I had on my other one. Now, that is for sure making contact. No question about it. Yeah. I mean, I could mount it like, ooh, could mount it like this, but that's not how it was before, so I want to stay true to this style. I mean, I don't really know if it makes a difference or not. But okay, for mounting it, I'm gonna, let's just make sure that this is indeed a 11. It is. You can see that is an 11 millimeter or 7/16. And yes, I know the camera's blurry like that, but I have it focused on this other stuff, not the wrench I'm holding up close to it. So, just gonna do this. I really hope this solenoid is good. I'll make a video when I try it out and have the battery hooked up, which might be tomorrow. Right now, this is Sunday. Probably gonna be uploading it tomorrow, aka Monday. I also got one of my trimmers running today, so I'm probably gonna upload that video tonight or tomorrow morning. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot more videos coming out of this channel now that it's summer again. So stay tuned for that, and I guess subscribe. Just take a minute to say that. That's the nice thing about this channel is it's not really a specific summer or winter channel. I'm not gonna be the kind of person that tells you to subscribe, but I would appreciate it if you would. You know, I guess it gets, higher the subscribers, or at least the higher amount of views, the better. Oh, you know what I can do? So I could actually. I'm just mounting that. I don't really know if you can see it or not. I could kind of put my phone like this. Just a tip if you're, going to film stuff with your phone. Get a pop socket. They help for sure. It doesn't want to go on. Come on. All right. So you can see that's all mounted now. It's not tightened because, I'll move this again just so you guys can see what I'm going to do for mounting it. So, ratchet on the outside, wrench on the inside, with using this end because can't get it on otherwise. Which I can actually still spin this by hand, so I as well keep that up. But yeah, I don't know how good the audio. Sometimes my phone kind of makes the audio quality weird. All right, that's pretty dang tight. Let's make sure we put that on tighten. All right. I want to make sure this puppy is nice and on there. For sure. Got the yellow thing back on this one. So I know I for sure have that right. If I at least have that right, I'll feel pretty dang good about that. I'm going to try and swear a little less on my videos, but I'm still going to from time to time because that's the nature of me. So, I want to get the other solenoid for reference here. Now, I know what you want to do is try and keep everything the same. So, you see, let this thing focus on this. See how there's no washers or nothing on this, but on that one, there's like a washer there, and then another nut. When I take this off, I'm going to take those apart, and then put them either in the box or on this one. Should be an 11-2. Yep. Oh boy. That's right. That's right. So with this one, what you got to do is actually hold it. You know what? I am just going to take that apart. Forget it. Those two came off of there. I'm going to do this. See if I can get that to loosen. There we go. Now, I don't know if I should put these back on. I'm gonna do it. If you're using the same solenoid and you're using this video as a how-to, which I might title it as, I'm not sure. Probably just title it Marie Finishing Up Marie Restoration Part 1. So that's how I'm going to refer to this stuff from now on. Now I'm just going to use this wrench because I don't have a deep well socket and I don't exactly feel like messing this up. Hitting wires and stuff, that's always fun. Come on. Okay. It's so much easier to just remove it from there. Wait a minute. Make sure I don't lose that. And actually, I'm going to get this connected up right now. So, this side is just this. Tighten this baby up. Okay. I'm going to loosen it because I'm going to take this off. Do. Take those off. This might be a little bit monotonous, and I know that, but don't worry. This is the important stuff that nobody knows how to do. Or not as many people know how to do. Most people know how to turn a key. But right now, I have to touch 2 terminals to get it to turn the key first. But trust me, that gets really old and annoying. Okay. Actually, there's 2 here. No, wait. My dad's coming out. Hold on. Okay, my dad might be walking out. And if he does, and whatever, I'll just pause the video. So, I might continue work. Whoa! Might continue work, but I mean, pretty much all I gotta do is tighten stuff down. So then, okay, here's this purple one. I guess it's more of a red wire. There's red going out of it, but purple wire. Then we have our battery cable. That's pretty important. Now, I'm going to make sure that there's nothing that is touching another thing. You know what I mean? And, yes, it's for the seat switch. It's been disabled. I don't know what this... Okay, I'm going to do this with that. Just put it forwards. I'm going to put it forwards because I want to mount it straight down. Straight down makes the most sense to me. Okay, I'm just going to tighten this. We'll see when I put the battery in how that goes, but... Sounds like the motor virus is going through the spools and stuff, so it's just a matter of time. Yeah, like I said. Okay, and then, oh geez, that's gonna get annoying. It's in the way. Oh, there we go. Little norovirus every year or two comes through. Make sure this part's nice and tight. Yeah, see, I'm not gonna pause the video for that little bit. Just kind of ignore what he says. It doesn't really matter. He's talking to somebody on the phone, so I'm not gonna tell him to be quiet or go away. Or I mean, unless he like gets off the phone, then talks to me, or comes out here and is monotonously talking on the phone, then okay, yeah, then I'll say something. Okay, have that tighten. All right, real good. So. Now, I'm just going to put this stuff, keep it in the order. I guess I took it off. So it goes big, small, whatever you want to call that. Big, small, then the nut. Wow, I couldn't think of that. Good job, me. Okay, yeah, I'm going to get rid of that because if you look, yes, there's a lot of threads, but I don't care. So, and I guess if I took those out, that'd shorten up the length of that. And bah. Bah. I say bah to that one. All right, so now let me get my new battery. Which is a lot nicer than the other one. Because this one is a handle. Which is making it easy peasy. Okay, hold on. I can't get it back out now. Come on. Okay. This battery tray. Okay, gotta show you this. Turn off the flashlight. I have to. Well, no. Let's move the camera. You see this little drain thing here? Yeah, it goes like this. It goes in the damn thing, like that. I'm intelligent. Well, it's upside down. Sorry. I'm intelligent, aren't I? But there you go. So, I'm going to continue on this. I'll flip the camera back. I'm going to have it upside down because then when you guys are, I think, what I'm thinking is true, then when you guys are looking on it, it'll be good. Okay. Now, let's get this positive terminal up so I can actually access it. Now, look at this. This should be so much easier now. Whoops. Come on. Pretty much like once it's down type of thing. It's dumb. I'm trying to put batteries in this thing. It's the only complaint I really, truly have. Oh. Wait, let me get it set in the fucking tray, damn it. There we go. Okay, it's in the tray. That's all I cared about. So good. Now it's not gonna be in there flopping around. Take these covers off. Ooh, fresh battery, nice. I'm gonna put these caps on the other battery. Now, my hope is that I don't have to take this apart again. I really don't want to have to. So I got everything set up the way I want it. I'm in a good mood now. I've got everything the way I want it. I already said. I don't know why I'm saying it again. I don't know why I'm taking off that terminal first. Okay. So, put this in. Some sort of like grease or something. Not sure. Maybe battery acid? I hope not. All right. Hold on. There, bucko. Just wipe my shoes off. Whoa, it's light outside. Holy. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's probably not battery acid. I would hope not. I hope they wouldn't put battery acid on a battery that consumers are going to be touching. Posts that they're going to be touching to put this on. Or maybe that's what they do. I don't know. Let me just tighten this up here by hand. Well, whatever that is makes it slippery. Annoying to hold on to. I will say that. There, I can literally just slide it using that handle. That's nice. That's gonna make life with this thing so much easier. Okay. Now for this one. Oh, come on. Don't be dumb like that. Don't do that. Great. Now that's gone for a good while. How's the bolt? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, don't be stupid like I just did. Okay, okay, great. Oops. That's why I did it like this, because otherwise the camera lens is on it. So, I don't, maybe take the negative and go like that, Gavin? Maybe also, I don't know. Scared me. As you probably saw in the video, I jumped a little bit. I don't know. I want to know as much as you guys if it does turn the starter. Gotta charge the battery. I think I might just give it one turn on the key. I gotta know. I got to know. Yeah, I have to know. I can't go without knowing. This finally fixed it. I hope it did. I really hope it did. Really, really, really hope it did. Can't stress that enough. Okay. All right. It's tidied up. Ready? Sweet. 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 Ah. That makes me so happy. Whew. All right. Well, it just got easier now. Now this tool, you see this? Let me just get the good shot of this baby. See all that? That's from me starting it. How many times I have. Whew, shaking with excitement. Oh, it's gonna make this riding this thing so much nicer. Just gotta charge that battery. Yes, just a solenoid. I'm sure the battery had something to do with it too, but I got a good solenoid this time. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I mean, consider it. Jesus Christ, I'm so excited. I'm shaking. I gotta set this thing down. Jeez. Hold on, hold on. It's dead though. The battery's quite dead. I'm not gonna try that again, but every time now makes my life 100 times easier. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And more videos of this thing are coming. I'm gonna get the hood back on. I'm gonna get the new gas cap, and I'm gonna show you how to completely tear it down and go through the steering. I've never done that before, so you guys will be learning with me. We'll see how it goes. But I'll move this thing back to where I had it, because I had it over there. Right over here, this area, you know, just right by that line. Put it there, and yeah, just put it on the good old battery tender. I guess what people call this, a battery trickle charger. Just puts a little bit of power to it. Then it'll float, like a, you know, I'll charge it, you know, if the battery dies a little bit. But yeah, that's the best thing I can do for a brand new battery. This video's been 30 minutes long, so it's only taken me 30 minutes to do that. That's pretty good. Geez, I'm talking as fast as Miss Adamson, who is a substitute teacher. You won't know unless you know me personally or go to the same school I do. Anyhow, she's a substitute teacher. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.